We just hosted a baby shower last weekend, and I had no less than 10 people comment on our bathroom and how gorgeous it was. And some of them actually went and like took pictures of it because they were like so inspired by the design. I mean, I think the most impressive part was just the design itself was just absolutely perfect. I think we both have our own style, and trying to like merge two people's styles together and make something functional can be really difficult, but all the options we got from Deazly reflected exactly what we wanted. I'm Melissa Cahill.
I'm Zach Cahill.
We live in Northeast Washington, D.C. Recently got our bathroom remodeled. Our house was built in the 1940s, and most of it was in great shape, but our main bathroom was not. It had a really old tile, the subfloor was rotted, and it was laid out in a way that made it impossible to even give our son a bath.
So we wanted a bathroom that matched our style, which was we didn't want something that looked bland or was just all like white. We wanted something a little bit more eclectic with a little bit of color that kind of popped.
And that also matched our 1940s house, which has a lot of original molding and antique brass fixtures, which seemed like a difficult thing for us to do on our own to design, to pull those two things together. So we hired Deazly to help us design the bathroom.
They started off by asking us about our tastes and interests, and the Pinterest board was really helpful. They scanned our bathroom and had some of their own ideas, but it was helpful when we talked to designers that they heard what I wanted out of the bathroom, they heard what Mel wanted, and then gave us a couple of different options of things to choose from, and thought of a lot of things that kind of captured our vision, our style, in like tangible ways that we weren't able to necessarily put words on.
I think there were a couple things we really wanted besides color. We wanted to have a cool console sink. We wanted to have some gold accents. We also wanted enough space to give our son a bath, and functional things like a fan and a recessed medicine cabinet for more storage. And obviously kind of that eclectic vibe, which I feel like we get the most out of with the wallpaper, which is really cool, as well as the tile in the shower, which is blue and in a cool herringbone pattern that we love.
Wallpaper is so nice that like we kept like a clear shower curtain so that we could appreciate all of the different little features of the bathroom while we were showering. So it was a little bit more of an oasis sort of place than we probably anticipated it would be.
Yeah, it was really easy to work with Deazly. Hi, buddy. It was really easy to work with Deazly. We met with them virtually, were able to share Pinterest boards, share photos and kind of 3D models of the bathroom, which were super easy to do. And then give them a budget, and they were able to provide us a list of a couple different options and designs for us to choose from, all with materials that were actually in our budget, which was really nice. I thought for sure that we wouldn't be able to design like a really nice looking bathroom in our budget, but they were able to find really high quality stuff that we could afford, which is great. I think the two big problems we were trying to solve were lack of functionality in our bathroom. There was not very much space, and there was not very much storage. That was a big one, as well as trying to solve the problem of the bathroom just not being an exciting place to go and almost feeling like an embarrassing part of our house because it was just like so old and looked so bad. So we really had no idea how to find a designer, and so our general contractor actually recommended Deazly to us, and it became apparent in our first meeting that they'd be a really great fit for our project just because they were so excited. Custom design at a great value.
Personalized design at a great price. Oh, we'd highly recommend Deazly.
Yeah, definitely.